Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Cayman Special Economic Zone, a massive project that's going to take place down by the port of Kingston. So the government announced that they are going to start construction of this special economic zone in 2025. Now they have broken up the project into 3 phases. So we are going to go through each phase, what's involved in it, and the time frame. But we're just quickly going to give you an overview of what this project is and how it's going to benefit Jamaica. The Cayman Special Economic Zone in Jamaica is a major development project designed to enhance Jamaica's role in global logistics and commerce. Located near the port of Kingston, the Cayman Special Economic Zone is a part of Jamaica's broader global logistics hub initiative, which aims to establish the country as a key transshipment and logistics center in the Caribbean and beyond. The zone will provide a dedicated area for businesses involved in logistics, manufacturing, and other value-added services. The Special Economic Zone is intended to attract both local and international companies by offering incentives, efficient infrastructure, and a strategic location that connects North and South America with global trade routes. The development of the zone will take place over 3 phases, lasting around 52 months and beginning in early 2025. The Port Authority of Jamaica is responsible for driving this project. The zone's design includes sustainable, secure infrastructure with completed layouts for roads, water supply, sewage, and stormwater management. In essence, the Cayman Special Economic Zone aims to create a world-class business environment that will bolster Jamaica's economic development by generating jobs, attracting foreign investment, and positioning the country as a competitive logistics and production hub in the global market. Alright guys, so that in essence is what the Cayman Special Economic Zone is. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.